ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।
A river does not just carry water, it carries life. Rivers are dynamic, mysterious. They are home to incredible wildlife. Today we have lost rivers. There was a time when there was a river in everybody's life. Cultures developed alongside rivers. They were revered, feared. They were bosom pulls to women, children, farmers, cattle, birds, insects, animals, and to all. A visit to the river meant cleansing and freshening up inner and outer. You went back from river, rested and healed. But today, the only relic of that intense relationship left is the practice of taking a dead person to the river bank for final rest. Many grow into adulthood without having seen a river in its full glory. Many big rivers reduced to a trickle. We are a generation that has turned flowing freshwater rivers into sways and garbage. Dry rivers cause a worry. 65% of our water need we meet by rivers. Out of 3 major Indian cities, 2 cities deal with water shortage. 80% of our water is used to grow food. We use river for irrigation, transportation, to produce electricity through hydro projects, and for leisure activities like swimming and boating. Each of these activities can affect the health of a river and the ecosystem that surrounds it. Now, it is time to monitor the health of rivers. So the concept of World Rivers Day. It is a day to show our reverence to rivers, to create awareness among us, to save the life givers, to protect them, and to protect the entire humanity and the entire ecosystem.
Hari Om, I am Shweta Swadhismita going to recite a poem and its title is River. It's like a blue ribbon which flows over with its million waves. You are welcome, it says. Down the hill it flows and says hello. With the pull of gravity, it brings positivity. Sometimes it's wide and deep, it seems to lip. Sometimes it's shallow, but it is never too low. Supports many plants and animals. I am ready to help, it calls. Also helps people with its sheery dimple. Sometimes called a crook, sometimes a brick. Has a headwater, it flows like a butter. On the way, it deposits alluvial soil. Its fun is never to spoil. Enriches us with happiness, fills the world with his greatness. Thank you.
हरिओम, सुप्रभात। मैं अक्षत सिंह। आप सबको तो पता ही है कि प्रकृति से हमारा जीवन है और उसी प्रकृति की एक देन है नदी। तो आज मैं उसी नदी के ऊपर एक कविता कहने जा रहा हूँ। हमारी पूजनीय नदी, हमारी पूजनीय नदी, क्या विडंबना होगी उसकी, क्या सोचती होगी नदी। मुझे हिमालय की नदी अपने जन्म स्थान पर मिली। स्वच्छ निर्मल सी वो गाती हुई चट्टानों से निकली। चंचलता उसकी हिरणों को शर्मा देती, चंचलता उसकी हिरणों को शर्मा देती। किरणें मानो उसके पानी में घुल कर आती। मैंने उसे रोक कर कहा, तुझे कहीं क्यों है जाना, तू सुरक्षित रहेगी, तेरी सुंदरता कायम रहेगी। वहां नीचे तू कुरूप हो जाएगी, वहां नीचे तू कुरूप हो जाएगी, तेरी धारा धीमी हो जाएगी, तेरी चंचलता कहीं खो जाएगी। तू जितनी स्वच्छ है यहाँ, वहां उतनी ही मैली हो जाएगी। इस पर नदी मुझे समझाते हुए बोली, इस पर नदी मुझे समझाते हुए बोली, बहना मेरा कर्म है, सागर में जाकर मिलना मेरा धर्म है। मुझे तो जाना ही होगा, इन चट्टानों का रास्ता काटना ही होगा, अपना रास्ता बनाना ही होगा। कई प्यासे लोग मेरी राह देख रहे होंगे, कई प्यासे लोग मेरी राह देख रहे होंगे, कई सूखे तट मेरा रास्ता देख रहे होंगे। मुझे अपने सारे स्वार्थ त्याग कर अब जाना ही होगा और अपना फर्ज पूरा करना ही होगा। तो अब मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहूँगा कि हमें भी प्रकृति की इस नदी के जैसे कठिन परिश्रम करके एक अच्छा इंसान बनना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
River is like a treasure given to us by God. We must work together to protect this treasure, which is the reason for our existence. Hari Om and a very warm good morning. Myself Nivedita Pradhan from Standard 9. Today I want to share some information about the origin of Indian rivers and their importance. Since 2005, every year the last Sunday of September is observed as World Rivers Day. The beautiful occasion of World Rivers Day comes every year to remind us that we must save our rivers, which is the reason for our existence. This special day highlights the importance of rivers. The idea is to create more and more awareness about rivers in order to save them. In Indian culture, water is linked to every social aspects of life. Rivers such as Ganga, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi are symbolic places in Indian culture with thriving agriculture and plantations on their source. Rivers carry water and nutrients to all over the earth. They play a vital role in the water cycle, acting as drainage channels for the surface water. Rivers provide travel routes for exploration, commerce, and recreation. India is a land of rivers. Indian rivers have great spiritual significance. In Hindu mythology, the river Ganga was created when Lord Vishnu was in Vamana avatar. In this avatar, he took 2 steps to cross the universe, and at that time the river Ganga was created. Yamuna is a sacred river in Hinduism and the main tributary of goddess Ganga. The river is worshipped as a Hindu goddess called Yamuna. Yamuna is known as Yami, while in later literature she is known as Kalinti. In Hindu scriptures, she is the daughter of Surya, the sun god, and Sandhya, the duck's goddess. She is also regarded as the twin sister of Yama, the god of death. Kaveri is the 3rd largest river of India. The primary uses of Kaveri are providing water for irrigation, water for household consumption, and the generation of electricity in South India. Kaveri is the lifeblood of both Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The mighty Krishna river bears the name of Lord Krishna. River Krishna flows through Maharashtra and has a tremendous cultural and social significance. The river Narmada is considered as the mother of peace. There is a story behind the river Narmada. Once, Lord Shiva meditated so hard that he started perspiring. Shiva's sweat accumulated in a tank and started flowing in the form of a river, that is Narmada. Another legend has it that the river Narmada was created when 2 tears fell from the eyes of Lord Brahma. Rivers are our history and folklore and link us as a people. Rivers are the arteries of our planet. They are the lifelines in the truest sense. World Rivers Day is a celebration of world's waterways. It highlights many values and strives to increase public awareness. Thank you.
The term civilization basically means the level of development at which people live together peacefully in communities. Ancient civilization refers specifically to the first settled and stable community that became the basis of later states, nation, and empire. The first ancient society appeared in Mesopotamia and Egypt in the Middle East and in the Sindh Valley region of what are now Pakistan and India. These civilizations were greatly dependent on river as their main source of water to survive. Hence, the settlement of all these primitive civilizations were discovered near the banks of monsoonal river such as river Saraswati. The Saraswati civilization was one of the oldest civilizations located on the Saraswati river, and it was the birthplace of Indian civilization. The ancient history of this region is obscured by the legend. It appears, however, that by 400 BC, primitive farmers were raising vegetable, grain, and animal along with the river bank. By 2700 BC, major cities like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, and numerous smaller towns had emerged. The Saraswati civilization shared some common development such as irrigation and drainage system and the art of writing. What little is known about the Saraswati civilization is that it had large cities that were well laid out and well fortified. There were public buildings, places, baths, and large granaries to hold agriculture produce. Archaeologists suggest that the Saraswati civilization had reached a fairly high level of culture and development before the civilization was destroyed. Many historians believe that the cause for the demolishment of this civilization was the flood in the Sindhu river. The main cities were closely linked to the river, so changes in the river flow would have a terrible effect on them. It is believed that at the same time, Bhagar Khakra river, better known as Saraswati river, dried up. People were forced to abandon many of the cities located along with the banks of this river. The reason for the drying up of this river were major climatic changes in the area, and that's how the primitive Saraswati civilization ended.
कुछ नफा लेकर खुश हुए, कुछ नुकसान से निराश हैं, कुछ खा रहे किस्मत की, बहुत कम को मेहनत पर विश्वास है, पर कह रहे सब इस बार बाजार तेजी दिखलाएगा। सूख रहा है गला थोड़ा मेरा, क्या एक गिलास पानी मिल पाएगा? अजी मांगते हैं समा हम आपसे, अजी मांगते हैं समा हम आपसे, थोड़ा समय इसमें लग जाएगा। मोहल्ले में खत्म है पानी, पर आप बात कीजिए, पानी थोड़ी देर में आ जाएगा। नदी को बोलने दो, शब्द स्वरों के खोलने दो, उसकी निस्तब्धता एक खतरे का संकेत है। यह इस बात की पुष्टि है कि नदी हुई समाप्त, शेष रह गई रेत है। अगर आ गया हो पानी तो क्या हमें अब दे पाएंगे? अजी मांगते हैं समा हम आपसे, अजी मांगते हैं समा हम आपसे, इसमें थोड़ा समय और लग जाएगा। शहर में खत्म है पानी, पर अब बात कीजिए, पानी थोड़ी देर में आ जाएगा। नदी जीवन दायिनी है, इसे अपने दुष्कर्मों से ना भयभीत करो। ये नीर नहीं संचती है, इसे नाले में ना तब्दील करो। अब तो आवाज भी ना निकलती गले से, क्या अब पानी मिल पाएगा? अजी मांगते हैं समा हम आपसे, अजी मांगते हैं समा हम आपसे, इसमें थोड़ा समय और लग जाएगा। देश में खत्म है पानी, पर अब बात कीजिए, पानी थोड़ी देर में आ जाएगा। तुम्हारे पाप को ढोते ढोते वो कुछ थक सी गई है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो कुछ सहम सिमट सी गई है। आपकी पानी देने की इच्छा नहीं लगती? रहने दीजिए, हम प्यासे ही चले जाएंगे। मांगते हैं समा हम आपसे, पर विलंब अधिकम हो गई है। धरती में खत्म है पानी, पर आप सिर्फ इंतजार कीजिए, क्योंकि मृत्यु तो निश्चित है। धरती पर जीवन का सबसे मुख्य स्रोत ताजा पानी है। गंगा भारत की सबसे पवित्र नदी, सबसे प्रदूषित नदियों में गिनी जाती है। यमुना भारत की दूसरी पवित्र नदी, जो इतनी गंदी हो गई है कि जगह जगह पर सिर्फ नालों की तरफ दिखती है। सिर्फ भारत ही नहीं, अमेरिका का क्यूबा होगा, इंडोनेशिया का सिटान, ये सभी हमारे कारण हुआ है। अगर हम इस तरह ही नदियों को गंदा करते रहेंगे ना, तो करीब 10-15 साल बाद अगर हम भारत के ऊपर से गुजरेंगे तो हमें भूरा रेगिस्तान ही दिखाई पड़ेगा। और हाँ, इन नदियों का पानी ही नहीं वरन आसपास की भूमि भी बंजर होती जा रही है। हम नदियों को मां कहकर पूजा करते हैं, और मां सिर्फ महसूस करने की चीज है। मां कभी आपको कुछ कहती नहीं है। अगर आप महसूस नहीं कर सकते तो आप अपने आप को उनकी संतान नहीं कह सकते। उदास रहने को अच्छा नहीं बताता है, उदास रहने को अच्छा नहीं बताता है, कोई भी जहर को मीठा नहीं बताता है। जल के बिना जीवन नहीं, ये हमें हमारा भविष्य बताता है। जल मेरे गुनाहों को धो देता है।
भगवती तव तीरे नीरमात्राशनोः, भगवती तव तीरे नीरमात्राशनोः, विगत विषय तृष्णा कृष्णवाराधयामि, विगत विषय तृष्णा कृष्णवाराधयामि, सकल कलुषभङ्गे स्वर्ग सोपार संगे, सकल कलुषभङ्गे स्वर्ग सोपार संगे, धरल तर तरंगे देवी गंगे, प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रसीद